Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today I'm in the quiet resort of Pernera. Lovely little resort. And we're going to a pop-up craft fair. They'll be popping up here and there in July. We'll find out where else they'll be popping up. But today they're at Tiptoe. We're going to go and have a look around. Oh look, wooden stuff. Oh wow, look at that. A wooden tree. So different oils. Oh, so we've got lots of oils. €3 each or 4 for 10. Oh, that's good value for money. We'll get 4.
4 for 10. It's sealed, my love. It's sealed. Okay, what did you choose? Granny Smith. Lovely. Nice and fresh.
Yes.
Jasmine. Lovely. Musk. And white linen. This is one of my favourites. And that's another one of my favourites.
Oh, look at these, look. They're nice. Right, we've got the oils. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, look at these, look. The eye keeps the evil away. Evil eye. Oh, fabulous reductions on this table, all half price. All sorts of things made from bottles.
That's a really nice colour. I've also got these ones. Hello.
Hello.
That's like from the ale. That's
Oh, look at that.
Wine. Yeah.
That's clever. Look at that notice board, €10. Oh, that's clever, look. Horseshoe key holder. Salt and pepper shakers. Clever. Okay. Oh, these are €2. Oh, they're candles. Oh, look at that. This is Avril. She also owns a second-hand shop, don't you? Lovely second-hand shop. Let's see what she's got then. Message boys and girls. Oh, you put a little message in here.
Oh, he's doing his vlogging, yeah.
€2, they're good, don't they? You put a little message in there. Okay, that's her daughter's. Oh, little things for your house. Some handmade cards, look.
Oh, lovely.
Right, what else have we got? Oh, these are planters with rope round them and all sorts of different things. They're nice planters, aren't they? What else we got? Got these bees here. They're bee houses. More planters. We've got a silly planter here. Look at him. He's a funny, silly man. What else have we got? What are these?
Gonks.
Oh,
Crazy gonks.
they're brilliant. Look at him. He's lovely. There's some more over here. There we are. What else have we got around here? Oh, look at these. Look at him. He's funny. Look at him. Hat and his glasses. Funny nose. He's wonderful. I think the kids will love that. Our cats will destroy it, but the kids will love it. What else is there? Homemade honey. Here we are. Oh wow, look at that. €10 for the big one. Right, what else have we got? The craft fair. Oh, it goes on and on. Oh look. Somewhere to put your earrings. Good. Lovely. Let's go around here. Hello. Oh, handmade spoons. Oh wow. Look at these. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, hand stitched real leather wallets. Oh, they're lovely. Oh. Lovely. Oh, what's that? Homemade marmalade. There we go. And homemade soaps. Look, natural sunscreens. Also, they've got loads of bits. Look at these gift boxes. And they've got all sorts of different products here. Look at this. Sunshine stuff, extra guard sun lotion, foot peeling masks. I'm not sure what that is, but there you are. Right, let's have a look at these. Hello. Look, oh look at that. Isn't that amazing? Wow, all handmade. Look at the handbag, I like that. Oh, sorry. That's €30. That's really good. Good value for money. Thank you. And what else have we got? Oh, look at these pictures. Ain't they amazing? I've seen these pictures somewhere before, but I can't think where. Yes, I'm just doing your video. Oh, look at this one. That is fantastic. Earrings. Oh, they're nice. Them €7. There we are. You can even buy a display cabinet. Right, let's have a look. What else? Oh, handmade glass. Look at that. That is beautiful. That's lovely. Oh, look, these are for the little sticks. They're nice. All handmade. I like that. Look, serve for your butter. And then you can hang these turtles. Look at the turtle. Amazing handmade glass. Really beautiful. I like that one. That's lovely. And that little fish. There are little fish. Oh, cat. Look at the cat. Wow. Brilliant. I like the cat. Oh, look at these that you can hang on your door or on your fridge, anywhere you like. They're €12. Or the little hearts are €5. They're lovely. Oh, little frames, look at that.
Thank you, ladies.
With miniature dolls. Oh, look at this bunting. Oh, wow, bunting made of cloth. That's really beautiful. This embroidered bunting is €20 for 5 meters. Look at that bunting. Decorative bunting. And look at the sign, to the beach. Different pillows and cushions. Oh, look at him. Crazy. I think my favourite so far is the bunting. The bunting is amazing. And this sack, there we are, we've got a sack as well. What's it for? I'm not too sure, guys. Look, there it is, look. I'm not sure what it's for. Maybe it's a draft excluder.
The yoga bags to put your mat into.
Oh, the yoga bags, guys, to put your mat in. There you go, yoga mat bags. Oh, look at the flowers, look. Ain't they wonderful? All made of material, recycled material. Look at those ones. Now 6 flowers for €22.50, 12 flowers for €40. Oh, they're really decorative, beautiful flowers. There's artisans, look, all bits of hanging bits and pieces. There's a fish made with driftwood. Ain't they wonderful? Oh, look at this one. There's the driftwood with all the fish made of recycled materials. Amazing colours. Very artistic, beautiful. Some more homemade jewellery. Oh, look at this. Jellyfish. Jellyfish earrings, I think they are. Oh, look at that jewellery, isn't it beautiful? Looks like it's made from bits of clock. Right, so here we are. So today it's at Tipsy Turtle. On the 8th and 9th of July it's at Mosio Cafe and Bar Restaurant in Dorinha. On the 16th of July it's at Blue Spice Pernera. On the 22nd of July it's at Flocus Pool Bar and Restaurant in Protaras. On the 29th of July it's at Backstreet Cafe and Bar in Xylophone. There we are, if anyone wants to come and have a look at these fantastic handmade products. So there we are, guys, we've got our essential oils from the craft fair. We'll probably be visiting the next craft fair. That was really great, fantastic products. I really like those flowers, and that bunting was amazing. It was all great. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.